A video of P. Diddy abusing his ex-girlfriend Cassie pretty horribly has recently surfaced. The video shows him attacking her in a hotel, which is obviously a crime. Now, the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office issued a statement saying that because of the statute of limitations, he could not be prosecuted for it. And in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, is P. Diddy really in the clear? My name is Veronica. I'm an attorney here in California. I help people put their cases behind them so that they can enjoy their lives and their futures. Okay, so let's jump right in. The video is horrible. Can he really get away with this? Now, again, the LA County DA's office has said that if the conduct depicted occurred in 2016, unfortunately, we would be unable to charge as the conduct would have occurred beyond the timeline where a crime of assault can be prosecuted. And that is true. The crime that would have the longest statute of limitations for what is in the video would probably be domestic violence, and that is 5 years. So if this is from 2016, then it is too late. However, that does not mean that P. Diddy is in the clear, and in fact, he could be in a lot more trouble than he would be for what he did on the video. Okay, so here's how this could play out. Cassie filed a civil lawsuit against P. Diddy back in November of 2023. That lawsuit settled. One of the allegations that she made against him was exactly what we see in the video. Now, P. Diddy, of course, adamantly denied all of this. But despite P. Diddy's numerous denials, counter-accusations, we now know that Cassie described that incident completely truthfully. So because of the leaked video of P. Diddy attacking Cassie in the hotel, we now know a few things for sure. Number one, P. Diddy is an abuser. Number two, Cassie is credible. And number three, P. Diddy is a liar. But again, he can't be prosecuted for what's in the video. So if I'm a DA and I want to get him, how can I do that? How can I prosecute him? One of the other allegations that Cassie made in the lawsuit against P. Diddy was that he sexually assaulted her at her home after a dinner in Malibu, California. Now, there is no statute of limitations for rape in California. Now, going back to the DA's statement, they say, we encourage anyone who has been a victim or witness to a crime to report it to law enforcement. As far as I could find out, no one, not Cassie and not any other witness, has actually made a report to police about this. Now, it's possible that they have and that I just didn't find it, or that information is not publicly available. However, and I think that if the DA's office is interested in prosecuting P. Diddy, this may be what they're hinting at. If Cassie goes to the police and reports the rape, they absolutely can still prosecute him for it. And look, before the video, without the video, she could have done that, sure. Someone can be prosecuted and convicted for a crime based on the word of a single witness. But if there is corroborating evidence, there's a much stronger case. Now, for domestic violence cases, sexual assault cases, those are he said, she said types of cases where, yes, someone can absolutely be convicted, sure. However, the DA's office is going to be less likely to prosecute those without some corroborating evidence. And the DA's office has a lot of discretion here. They know that P. Diddy is going to lawyer up if he is accused of any crime. So if they just have someone's word and they have really no corroborating evidence to show that he was abusive at all, they know he's just going to deny it. Is it really worth prosecuting him for it? I mean, we saw the Danny Masterson case, for example, where there were multiple alleged victims who testified. And so that helped them make their case stronger and make it worth filing. Now, the video does not depict a sexual assault, but personally, after watching that video and reading her complaint and how she described it, I believe everything in her complaint. And I think most jurors would too. And although if P. Diddy were arrested, if he were tried for rape, I'm sure his lawyer, his team of lawyers, would work really hard to try to keep that hotel video out. But I think that there's a good chance that that video would end up coming into evidence, would be shown to the jury, and would significantly strengthen the prosecution against P. Diddy for rape. So basically, the ball is in Cassie's court. If she doesn't want to report it, I don't blame her. She doesn't want to go through that whole process. But if she does, we should absolutely expect the DA's office to file charges against P. Diddy. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did find it helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook.